operate the open and close on the door. There ain't nothing wrong with me. So I kind of had a hard time finding this thing. The replacement that I got, it didn't. Money we saved on this quick fix. Alright, what's up YouTube? It's gonna be a pretty quick video. Basically what I'm about to do is swap out this switch. This is for garage door. You turn it and that will operate the open and close on the door. I mean, nothing wrong with the original one, but we only got one key, so we need to have two. So I kind of had a hard time finding this thing. This is what it's like on the inside. So I figured I'd shoot a video to show people how to install it. The replacement that I got, it did not come with this cup part. So I mean, that was just my luck. I went to like all the local hardware stores. Everybody's like, oh, you gotta go to a garage store, but I ended up finding this one on eBay. So what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna disconnect these tabs here. One, no, that was on the right, or on the left. This one's on the right. Two, then this guy is basically it should be like hand tight, you know. And if it's not, you probably just need any type of pliers to get that loose. Or you could just spin it and spin it all the way out, because that nut is what's really holding it inside the wall. So once you get that loose, get that nut off. And then should just come right out. Hold tight. A little tighter than I expected on the siding. I think I'm gonna pause it real quick, and I'm gonna go and give me some pliers so I can kind of get a grab on that, pull it through the hole. All right, so I got it out. Well, I got the old one out. That's the old one. With the new one, see, that's the nut there for the new one. Just gonna slip it in. So slip it into the casing. Like so. Make sure I got my position right, like the old one was. It was more sitting like that. And I'm just gonna push that back through the hole, like so. Then on the other side, just gotta put the lock ring back on there. So basically got it in there, and this shaft was not as long as the other one, but we don't have to deal with that. We plug the tabs back up, and I think that was the right way. And let's see, got the new keys. Oh, I want to keep that plastic in the garage. I got the new keys. Turn. And I mean that, I don't know, if you got an older garage style, these are pretty interesting because, you know, if you don't have the wireless opener on you, you just come out with the little key, and you know, it works great. But I mean, this is what we got right now. Eventually, I'm gonna be doing a video on replacing this guy. As you can see, it's all busted up, so that whole thing gotta be replaced. So when we get to that point, I'll be showing that too. But for this one, hey, I don't even know how much money we saved on this quick fix. But hey, it's a quick video, something interesting that you might run into, and we'll see you on the next one.